guys, welcome back to another video. Today I decided to make the TikTok whipped coffee and show you guys me making it. I already made it once in a vlog and it was kind of like a fail. I didn't whip it enough, and I mean you could whip it to your liking, but for me it just didn't taste as good, and so I decided to give it a try again for this video and try to do something different, especially during quarantine. I'm trying to, put out different content, and I thought it would be a good idea to just film me doing this for you guys. If you guys have tried it, also comment down below the type of instant coffee you used or any other techniques that worked for you. But I hope you guys enjoy this video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. So you're going to need your ingredients out and a mixing bowl. I just used this glass bowl, and the instant coffee I used was the Cafe Bustelo one. I used this air latte frother to mix it all up, and then regular white sugar. So the first step is pouring your instant coffee into the bowl, and I'm going to pop up the measurements, and I'm also going to just be telling you. So I took 2 tablespoons of the instant coffee. You can do whatever you want. If you don't want too much, you can cut it in half and just do 1 tablespoon of each, but I did 2. And then next I took 2 tablespoons of regular white sugar. Usually I like to use raw sugar, but they haven't had them in the supermarket, so I used this one, and it still tasted fine. Next is pouring your 2 tablespoons of water. It can be at whatever temperature you like. And then at first I just stirred with a spoon just to mix everything well together before I use the air latte to really froth it up. It honestly cuts down the time a lot. You can just whisk it up if you don't have this frother. Some people use the hand blender that makes it go faster, but you can see here it already started turning a different color and becoming thick right away, so you're going to be mixing for a while.
Walking downtown and I'm okay. He's got it all figured out. It's what they all say, yeah. Everyone's looking at him different.
After you've whipped it to your liking of the consistency, you want to go and put some ice in your glass. I don't usually like to go for a crazy amount of ice, and then grab the milk of your choice. I just use this plain oat milk. It's extra creamy. It's my favorite oat milk. And I just pour it kind of like halfway, and then you're good to go to pour your whipped coffee on top.
You're my anxiety. It's more than a feeling. You were never meant for me, but now I gotta keep it.
And I'm just using my straw that came in my Starbucks tumbler, so that's good. I want to get some new straws soon, like metal ones, but this is the final product of my whipped coffee. Now let's do a little taste test. Definitely better than last time, 100%. It's really, really good and nice and creamy. It tastes really good also with the oat milk. You guys need to go and try it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and leave any video suggestions you have down below, and I will see you guys all in my next video.
It's more than a feeling.